This time it's painless. This time it's more effective. This time it's going to get a better result. Hey everybody, this is Dr. John Carrozzella from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And I want to talk to you about something really exciting. You know, about 8 years ago, we were one of the pioneers in shockwave therapy. That is, we were affiliated with a GAINSWave product that came out, and it revolutionized men's sexual wellness and care. And you know what, over time, it really became a little bit old. It wasn't as effective as we thought it should be. It did get results, but it was really kind of marginal. I'm excited to tell you that we're about ready to partner with GAINSWave once again. They have brand new technology. This time it's painless. This time it's more effective. This time it's going to get a better result. So you know what, if you're feeling frustrated in the bedroom, if you're having troubles with performance and you really need a boost, I think this is something we ought to really consider, because this will help you avoid the embarrassment. Taking time out to take the pill or pulling aside to take the shot, whatever it takes to get the performance that you want, this new technology is revolutionary, and we're one of only 150 clinics that currently have this technology in the entire United States. So you know what, it's a brand new technique, it's drug-free, it's non-invasive, and what it will do is it will create a response in your body that's a healing response. It shakes loose the plaque, it causes new growth of nerves and blood vessels, and it can be something that over time can really boost your confidence and your performance in the bedroom. It really is exciting for us. That's why we've decided to go back and reaffiliate with GAINSWave and actually become an associate and in fact a partner with them in order to deliver this really revolutionary new technology to our people. It's what we do here. We do hormones and sexual wellness, and it's a great addition to our menu of services. It's something that I think we're going to find really, really profound. So you know what, it's a really short session, usually in and out in 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't require numbing, so it's a lot faster. It is absolutely painless. Trust me, I've tried it. We've done it on a number of people already, and they have absolutely no feeling whatsoever. Yet it effectively delivers the energy to the target tissues much more efficiently, much more effectively, giving a better response. You know, there's no downtime afterwards. Recovery is immediate in terms of being able to perform and do your daily activities, and the results will build upon time. So usually the course length is about 6 to 12 sessions. It varies depending upon how much of an improvement people need or how many other metabolic or physiological issues are going on. But it can be very effective for everybody. And you know what? When you start combining it with other modalities, it more than additive. That is, 1 + 1 is 3. So I'm telling you, this is great new technology. We're excited to have it here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And if you think this is something that can enhance your sexual performance, give us a call, make a consultation. We'd be happy to talk it over with you.